Blessings and good day. This is Amaziyah the Great, and yeah, I am back inside Jamaica. I was in the United States recently, and I'm at home right now, quarantine. Them say I should be in for 14 days. So, this is actually my first video since I come back since August 28th. And there are a couple of things I want you to know. You probably know, you probably might not. But if you are overseas and want to come back in Jamaica, there are certain things you have to do, and I will elaborate about that a little more. Because when we did at the airport, a lot of persons were there still unaware. You see, first, you have to get tested. And make sure it's a negative test so you can board that flight. Now, along with getting that negative COVID-19 SARS rapid test, you can do it at the airport also, because at the airport with the mind, but you have to provide that piece of information to the airlines which you are going to fly back to your country come with. Along with that, you have to go on the Jam COVID-19 site. You can download the app on Play Store, full out the necessary information, because let me tell you this straight, if you not full up that something there, you can't come back in the country. The government have to give you the permission in an email, and then them say yes, you are approved to come back at your place. I saw a lady, she was there rather confused. Other people did it too. Once you go through, the checkpoints and them stamp your itinerary and say that's okay, then you are okay. If you now have that docs okay, big bold in a red something upon the itinerary thing, you're in a serious problem. So you have to make sure that you sort these things out. You get to me and say, the trip from yard to abroad was a great one. I had no complication. Big up Southwest. Everybody did treat me so, honorable on that flight, and, comfortable to reach back in and back on my place. Gotta say big ups to everybody who accept me warmly, welcomely, from Florida to New York to New Jersey. Got to big up my sister, Trudy, quality. You get a man say big respect for motivating and inspiring me for just, step out and reach out. Big up to my sister again, Tanisha, the accommodation. Enough respect, enough thanks. And may I go say this, and she might feel a way about this, but I'm going to openly state this part of it, Tanisha. I have to confess this about you. I don't know if you're going to feel, you might feel a way, you might not feel a way, but people always have things to say about families. But you are one family who never make sure say, whoever make sure say me never hungry. Whole heap of food. Put on one little belly weight, but me not to show it still. Me I try work it off, because the thing go, maga body with big belly don't really look good. Instead of something that when beat the man on versus with the killer, it never looks so appealing. But me I try work on it. So sister, big up yourself, enough respect. Brandon, big up yourself just the same. People them in New York, Michelle and the whole team, big up yourself. See? Natty Ray, you don't know. Adventure, great. Brother Gary, big respect. But with all that said, enough people more dead than Venice from Connecticut. I agree, I'd big up yourself. Only for people, too much names for call. But this whole video what I do have to just make people be aware of the fact that you have to get tested, you have to get approved for come back in your country so now you can come in. And not only that, I have to mention something about the NCB. I recently got a text message from them, and I will read. You get me and say, because when I forgot start pay some money people for using an NCB card in a foreign, and I'm going to make you know. You might get the message already, some might not have the time for you to read message, but I'm going to tell you. Whether you're shopping online at your favorite international store or heading out of the country, your NCB Visa debit card is always ready to go global. Your NCB debit Visa card accepted at over 46 million merchants in 200 countries worldwide where Visa is accepted. Now, there are foreign transaction fee listed in the fee guide. You may have noticed that you have not been charged for those fees to date. However, as of September 4th, 2021, we will begin charging foreign transaction fee when you purchase something outside of Jamaica, either or online or whether you are visiting another country. These fees cross over border processing and foreign currency conversion charge. A foreign transaction fee may apply when you use an international ABM. You will be charged an international ABM withdrawal fee of $436.78 plus GCT. So get that. When you shop online or in apps, you will be charged a transaction conversion fee of 2.25% plus GCT on total transaction cost. That works out to be $1 US on a $40 transaction fee, for example. You get what I say? When you are charged this fee, you can find it listed on your bank statement or as a separate line in item in your recent transaction on your NCB mobile app or on the NCB online banking portal. So if you have no, we want to ask no questions, you can just call customer care 888 NCB first. You don't know the number there, 622-3477, and them say thanks for banking with them. So I just make you know, some might know, some might not know, but it's good to be here. Still have to go and quarantine away from the picnic them and everybody else, but it's nice to be in other country. You get what I say? And thanks to all of the fans, the friends, the viewers, the subscribers. If you don't subscribe to my channel, please go and go to the subscribe something then now. You get what I say? And big respect to everybody who's been supporting Amaziyah the Great ever since. Support the merch store, Amaziyah the Great collections. And just, you know, reach out for greatness. We always be doing positive stuff with the poetry, music, the whole 9 yards, short movies, and look out, we have a movie I work on, so look out for that. It's the continuation of what we did have, Searching for Keisha. I'm not decide the full title yet, but it's like the part 3, because you know we have Easter Bun, which is really part 1, and the continued part from that is Searching for Keisha. So it continues, yo. So we are work on the rest of the scenes them. And you know, I'm not resume yet since I'm back in the country. Like I say, after this 14 days period, I shall continue to, you know, do what I have to do and get the thing up and running. You get what I say? So big up my picnic them, I soon get to greet up and meet up with daddy. Them know me there and them call me like crazy every day when I come on my yard, but I have to tell them so go and chill. Z. So big respect still to everybody. Everybody, the poets, filmmakers, the artists, actresses, the whole cast, the team, you know, Marcus, Taylor B, the whole 9 yards. So we just there go and do it, I keep going and going like that energy as a bunny work hard for once, and we not do nothing funny. When we work them, I'm paying them, I knock you out for my money. No, I'm not knock you out, no violence. So tell them precisely, we say great where the gate be while the sunshine will make. It's good to be here. Big up everybody, take care of yourselves, stay safe and practice social distance because a bag of things are going out there. Real as daylight, so now be careful when you traverse the street. You get what I say? World pandemic settings, and you have to know what's going on in the earth and try to take care of yourself and, you know, practice the hygiene, something there and stay clean, seeing? Know what I mean? So big respect. Tell them precisely, great way, gateway, the journey continues.